Minoxidil works on active hair follicles, which is the drawback. It cannot recover bald spots. Is PP405 going to work on dormant hair follicles and potentially help with bald spots? This is again another great question, and what it speaks to is the hope with PP405 as an ingredient. What has been pitched by the UCLA researchers is that this will actually act differently and does act differently from drugs like minoxidil or finasteride, which work on different pathways. This particular ingredient has been posited to actually wake up dormant follicles in those areas where you have bald spots. And in the phase 2A clinical trials, which were released recently with respect to the data that came out of those trials, what they found is that there was actually hair growth in areas where there was previously no hair, so where there were dormant follicles. This is a very encouraging sign, and it alludes to the fact that we may well have come across an ingredient which can actually give hair back in areas where we may have expected that a transplant may be the only method that we would have to actually give a cosmetic improvement in that particular part of the scalp. So this is very, very encouraging. However, we need to again understand on just what level does this drug work? What level can this drug actually revive those follicles? Is it just part of the scalp? Is there some limitation to how long those follicles have been switched off for? Is it in older patients, younger patients, patients with very severe hair loss, so Norwood 6 and above? Or is it just those from Norwood, say, so the 3 to 5? We need more time, more data with this molecule being used on a ton of different heads across the globe to really be able to quantify and judge just how good this ingredient is